This July, we're holding our Farm Ponds and Food Plots short course where we're going to spend a full day in the field with hands-on learning opportunities. We'll cover everything you need to know for implementing and managing food plots, including equipment selection, site preparation, and what to plant, including a food plot field tour. We're also going to spend time covering the ins and outs of sport fish pond management. We'll get out on the water and sample ponds and learn how to evaluate pond habitat quality, learn aquatic plant identification, and we'll cover stocking options and the best approaches for your objectives. We're also going to cover how to troubleshoot common issues, including identifying and controlling aquatic and terrestrial weeds to help you get the most out of your management goals. So come join us for our Farm Ponds and Food Plot short course this summer.